So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search for apps, for help, wherever you want here on Wix. So let's say I'm clicking on selecting a website right now, and now look at this. I'm going to show you a very cool feature that I even didn't notice at first when I started using Wix. So right here at the top, I didn't notice this one, but this is actually a search bar. You can actually write something. So settings, or rewrite or name, rename, enter your site name and web address, payments. You don't have to look for the settings, which I found is so helpful with manage payments and providers. You can accept, you can just click on it. You don't have to search, and actually it's telling you where it's actually located. So tools and settings. So you can go to tools, but of course you don't have to. You just click on here, rename, and you just click on this and it'll direct you exactly, will just send you exactly to what you're looking for, which I find very helpful. Another one that I found super helpful when I click on design side is we also have a search bar when on Wix editor, which I think it's very helpful for a newbie, for a professional, to actually have this search bar here. As you can see, we have this search bar here, and we can actually search for what we're looking for. Let's say we're looking for text, right? So you just type their text, and then here we want paragraph text. Is gonna send us exactly to the paragraph text, and we just drag and drop. So yeah, I hope you found this Wix tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.